Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today we will talk about the while loop. So what is a loop? So let's say for example that we want to print 10 times a value. So I have to write something like this. This is just a stupid example, but it's for make you understand better how it works. So let's say that I want to print 5 times hello world. I should have to make something like this. Okay, so I should write 5 times this and execute my program, and it will print 5 times hello world. But what if I say you that you can do that writing just one time the instruction and using a loop? So this is the while loop. So let's see how that works. We have to write while. Inside here we have to write our condition. So the while loop will execute the instruction here as long as the condition inside here is true. So let's see better here in Eclipse. So let's say for example less than 5. Just a minute, we have to declare this variable. I have not already declared it, but just a minute. Okay, so and we need to declare our variable e. So int e equal to 1, and now if I start my program now, what will happen? It will print infinity time hello world. Let's see, I just show you that. Okay, so if I don't stop my program will execute forever this instruction. Okay, so let's stop from here. What we missed? So we missed this. Okay, so we need to increment our e. So now I explain you what that means. So before, without this, e is always less than 5. So every time the while loop check this condition, so e it's less than 5, yes, execute this, and this forever. Now I have write this. So what this is? So while check the condition, so it's less than 5, it's remember that it's 1. Okay, so it's less than 5, yes, so print the condition and go here. So what does mean? 1 plus 1. Okay, so it will increment by 1 at each execution. So okay, so we should start from 0 to print 5 times. So it starts from 0. 0 is less than 5, yes, so print hello world, and we have the first hello world here, and increment the. So now it's equal to 1. 1 it's less than 5, yes, so print this condition, and we have the second instruction here and increment the. So 1 plus 1, so 2 it's less than 5, yes, so print the third hello world. So now we have 2 plus 1, because we have this, that's each time it's plus 1. So 3 less than 5, yes, so execute this condition, this until he reached the 5. So once he reached the 5, we have 5 it's less than 5, no, so we'll stop our loop and will not print this. Okay, so this is how work the while loop. We can also see the value of the while loop at each hello world, so we can write something like this. So if you remember, with the plus you can add the value, so plus e, that is our variable. And if I start now the program, it will print 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So because we start from 0, it will print 5 times, and it will not print hello world 5 because 5 is not less than 5, it's equal, so this will be false and will not execute the instruction. If I write something like this, less or equal than 5, it will print also the hello world 5, as you can see here. Okay, so I hope you have understand this. So it's just check if the condition is true, and if the condition is true, he will execute the instruction. And you should use this because you have to stop your loop at a time. So for the moment it does not make sense the way we use it, but I will explain you better how that's work with an example when we will introduce methods and we will talk about the input scanner. So if we can recap how the while loop work, we can just say that the while loop check for a condition, and if this condition is true, he just executes an instruction. Okay, so when the condition is false, he stops the loop. This video hand here. If you like, maybe to please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. In the description you can find my website and my Instagram page link, and follow me, and we will see in the next video.